MAF, Mass Airflow. How to test a mass airflow sensor, MAF sensor. A MAF sensor measures the amount of air entering the engine. If it fails, you may notice 1. Rough idle. 2. Engine hesitation. 3. Black smoke, diesel. 4. Poor fuel mileage. 5. Check engine light on. Method 1. Visual inspection, simple check. 1. Switch OFF ignition. 2. Open bonnet. 3. Locate MAF sensor, between air filter box and intake hose. 4. Check. A. Loose connector. B. Broken wires. C. Dust or oil on sensor. Backhand index pointing right if dirty, clean using MAF cleaner spray only, do not use petrol or brake cleaner. Method 2. Unplug test, quick test. 1. Start engine. 2. Disconnect MAF sensor connector. 3. Observe engine RPM. Result. A. If engine runs better, MAF sensor faulty. B. If no change, check wiring or other issue. Method 3. Multimeter voltage test. Step 1. Identify wires. Usually 3 to 5 wires. A. Power, 12V or 5V. B. Ground. C. Signal wire. Step 2. Check power supply. A. Set multimeter to DC voltage. B. Ignition on. C. Check power wire. D. Should show I. 12V, battery voltage, or 2, 5V, depending on vehicle. Step 3. Check signal voltage. A. Engine idling. B. Back probe signal wire. C. Normal reading. I. 0.5V to 1.5V at idle. 2. Voltage increases when accelerating. Backhand index pointing right if no voltage change, MAF sensor faulty. Method 4. Scanner test, best method. Use OBD scanner. A. Check live data. B. At idle. 1. Small petrol engine, 2 to 7 grams/SEC. 2. Diesel engine, 5 to 15 grams/SEC, approximate. If reading is 0 or very high, replace sensor. Warning: important tips. A. Always check air filter condition. B. Check for air leaks in intake pipe. C. Clean sensor before replacing. D. Use genuine part if replacing. Thanks for watching my video.